TV18's Nisha Podar caught up with Vijay Shekhar Sharma of Paytm and began by asking him how the company will sustain and keep the momentum going after limitless cash getting back into the system from 13th March. Listen in.
I think, first of all, it's no doubt about it that cash stands for somewhere consumers has already historical affinity and convenience, and whatever they've learned in the digital world, they either want to continue or they want to choose cash over this. So this will become a true battle of convenience and value, unlike I don't have an option and I'm trying one of the digital options. What we know in the month of January and February that has happened is that for us, offline transactions in February declined for the first time, not in the January. And in February, the offline declined, but overall still remained big, meaning month on month we remained the growth. So December to January we had 12% growth, and as far as MTD right now would be considered, it will be 2 or 3% growth because offline is seeing 15 to 20% dip in offline transactions. And I always said that at least 20, if not 30, will be the percentage decline that we will anyway see. If we retain 70% of what we had built, we actually have a larger than online category with us. And that is where the business, I think, remains with us.
So you are ready for some decline?
Officially, we had publicly quoted it earlier that I believe that 20 to 30% will be. If it goes more than 35-40, then offline becomes a smaller category for us overall. But today we believe that in wherever the money comes in the market, offline will remain bigger transaction category for Paytm than online.
All right. When we talk about creating the ecosystem for cashless economy and the wallet system, how deep is your penetration vertically?
Yeah. So if you look at geographic or vertical of industry, both ways we can look at it. I love the vertical of industry wise for the reason that there are some unstructured categories like retailers, food shops, corner stores, and then there is structured like petrol pump or let's say a toll or categories which are very clearly identified. So toll we've nationally covered, metro we are all covered, that is transportation. So we treat energy, transportation and communication as three big categories, by the way. So there we are taking complete coverage as an obligation, and if somebody is not yet public, then they are getting in live mode. So that I think is a tick.
All right, then good to see that there is some stability at